Yeah. Well, I'm on my way to maintenance before we head out. And, am I interrupting anything?
Nothing important. What's going on?
Look, I wanted to tell you I was sorry for how I acted yesterday.
No, Ray, really.
No, Emma. I just wasn't ready to hear about you and Blake moving in with someone else.
I should have told you before.
Hey, how's Blake feel about it?
You know, she'd like us to be a family again. I think it's gonna be hard for her.
Emma.
Emma! We're having an earthquake! Oh, Jesus, Ray, I gotta get out of here.
Where are you?
The Tate Weston!
Shit, you're on the top floor. Emma, listen, get as many people as you can and get to the roof. I'm in the helo and I'll get you from there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, get to the roof, honey.
No! Under the table! Drop cover and hold on! Lawrence! Director just jumped through 6.5 to 8.5!
What does that mean?
Power's at 10! So it's 100 times stronger now! Don't worry, Caltech is probably the safest place to be right now.
Professor, it looks like the whole San Andreas fault line is being activated. And it's heading towards San Francisco.
All right, all done.
Okay. Well, it was really nice to meet you all. I hope you have fun while you're here.
Bye, Blake. It was nice meeting you as well.
Bye. Oh, and I almost forgot. Do you mind if I borrow your book for a second? Tell Ben that I'll put in a good word for him. Bye.
Bye. I can't wait to be 20.
Thank you.
It's an earthquake!
Well, go! Get us out of here! Oh, God. Yes! Go! Jesus Christ! Oh, shit! You okay?
Oh my God, he's dead!
Blake? Are you okay? Are you hurt?
No, I don't think so. My legs are stuck.
Come on! Okay. We're gonna get you out of here. Okay?
Daniel?
Blake, I'm gonna go for help.
No, Daniel.
I'll be right back.
Daniel, don't! Please don't leave me alone! Daniel!